As you all know, I have a little one on the way this April, and this feeling is truly surreal. The entire reason I got into dropshipping and starting my online business is because I knew that one day I wanted to be able to support my family. 4 years ago, I had no idea that I'd be in the position that I'm in right now, but I'm truly blessed and truly grateful for everything that's happened. So with that being said, I want to let you in on a little sneak peek of how dropshipping has allowed me to be the man I am today and how it's going to allow me to support my soon-to-be family of 3. I hope that this video truly inspires you and motivates you to continue to keep going, because you never know where life can take you. All you have to do is get started. Get started. Get started. Get started. So I just got to Target. I'm about to do a little shopping for my little man. So let's not forget that this money is not coming out of my pocket, but from the profit that I make on my dropshipping stores. Yesterday alone, I did around $678 on this product that I just now started testing with a 30% profit margin, making over $200 profit. This week, I'm currently at 1.85K. And this month, I'm averaging right around $28,000. And again, this has been completely all just from testing. Now, typically, I would reinvest my profits like I always tell you guys, but what is the perks of starting dropshipping and starting your own online store if you can't use this profit to benefit your life and the things that you need to get done? All right, let's go ahead and figure out what we can find. All right, so you know I gotta get my little man dripped up. So let me go ahead and find something that he's gonna love, and we're gonna go ahead and shop together. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, I think this might be for a girl, but rad like his daddy, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think, man? Should I get the camouflage with the gray top? I don't know. Or, hey, the bear top. This is even more different. I think I might actually go with the bear top for real. I think we might have did something with this one. All right, this is what we're going with. All right, so I just got an outfit for my little man. Now I'm about to head over to my house and show you guys a little surprise that I got from my girl, all from the power of dropshipping. So we just made it back from shopping. I wanted to show you guys a little gift that I got from my girl, all from the power of dropshipping. I'm gonna go ahead and get her right now and show her the little surprise I got for her. All right, babe, I had to get you right. I had to surprise you with something. So I need you to look that way. I'm gonna cover your eyes, and I got a surprise for you. But in all seriousness, guys, all the hard work I've been putting in, all those late nights with dropshipping is what I've done this all for moments like this and being able to take care of the people that I care the most about. I didn't have any of these type of things when I was growing up and when I was younger. I didn't have nice cars. I didn't have nice things. I didn't come from a double parent household, and I didn't have anyone teaching me how to become my own boss. That's why I can't wait to welcome my son into this world this month and show him how much his daddy cares about him. And truthfully, without dropshipping, none of this would have happened, and I can't keep saying it enough, but this is just such a surreal feeling. In a couple weeks, my son's going to be here. I'm still going to be running Supreme Ecom, and I'm going to have multiple e-commerce brands and dropshipping stores creating me passive income so I can continue to create generational wealth for my family. I hope that this video inspires you to start dropshipping, or if you're already dropshipping, continuously inspiring yourself to stay motivated every single day, knowing your why, and reaching that success level that you're looking for. It's brighter on the other side, but you have to make it through the dark side first. Know your why, stay consistent, and never stop grinding, because I'm doing this for Little Saint. I'm doing this for Little Saint.
So we just went shopping for a little bit because the baby is coming so soon. Congratulations on that, you guys. How are you preparing for this new change in your life?
Honestly, we've been kind of preparing the entire last 9 months on a mental level, physical level, emotional level. We had an amazing baby shower where we had so many friends and family give us gifts and things that we needed to prepare for. So honestly, I know that both of us are really grateful for that. And I think that we're getting ready, and I think we are ready.
It's gotta be exciting. What about you, Sadie?
I would definitely agree with that. I think the baby shower was really awesome, so thank you to everyone that came and delivered gifts. We got basically almost everything we need, so it's really just getting mentally prepared to become parents and taking on that new responsibility that's going to be huge.
All right, so the next question that we have for you all is, what are you most excited about looking into the future?
Honestly, the thing I'm the most excited for is having a little one that can be like my best friend, someone I can do things with, hang out with, someone I can take care of and see grow from all the way from the bottom and up. Obviously, we all know we're going for the NBA, so that's another thing I'm excited for.
All right, NBA superstar on the way. Sadie, how about you?
I think I'm the most excited to, this might sound kind of cliche, but have the feeling that everybody says, like when you first see your child, like you don't know love until you first see your kid for the first time. I think I'm really excited to like actually have that feeling and have unconditional love.
Okay, so the third question we have for you all is, how do you picture yourself balancing work and your personal life after the baby is here? We know that you're running a business. How are you going to do the two?
I mean, honestly, it comes down to creating a business that can create passive income, and that's the whole reason I got into dropshipping in the first place. The whole reason I got into creating e-commerce is knowing that I can make money 24 hours a day, even in my sleep. If I'm at an office, if I'm traveling, if I'm on vacation, that was the benefit of getting into dropshipping in the first place. So I don't feel like that would ever be a problem trying to balance the two.
Right, that's a great thing to think about, is having a passive income. Sadie, I know that you were working, so what are you planning to do to balance your personal life with work?
Definitely my son's gonna come first, always for me, but creating passive income, that's the whole point. We do Airbnb as well, so that's always passive income coming in. And maternity leave, I can still be running Airbnb basically from my couch while holding my son, so it's gonna be really easy.
All right, so I know we have an exciting question here that I know a lot of people are gonna wanna know. So we all know that becoming a parent is a major life change and a huge responsibility, but what's one thing that each of you want to teach him?
I just want to teach him how to just do whatever he wants to do in this world and not be restricted to anything. I don't want him to be restricted to having to be a college graduate or have to be a business owner or have to be an athlete. I mean, like I said, we're going for the NBA, but you know, at the end of the day, giving him the opportunity to do anything he wants to do in this world, that's something I know both of us struggled with, is having to figure it out all ourselves. And the pattern is already built for him, so now he just gets to live the life how he wants to live.
I love that. I do love that. Sadie, what about you?
For me, I think it's going to be teaching him to be a gracious and respectful man. Growing up in a household with basically all women and just one brother, I saw a lot of like how he grew being around women, so I think I'll be able to teach him a lot in terms of like respecting women, respecting himself, and just being a really good man.
Both very important things. I love those answers. All right, Alex, so this question is for you. So with the success that you've had with dropshipping, what's one piece of advice that you have for someone who's just getting started with how much your life has changed?
Honestly, it comes down to knowing two things. One thing is your why, and two, the actual plans to make your whys come into reality. If you guys been watching my channel for a while, you know my why is creating generational wealth, and the actual plan was being consistent. The early mornings, the late nights, that is the biggest piece of advice I could have for somebody, is when you're trying to start a business, you can't just start it by just doing it and not having a reason behind why you're doing it. So knowing that why is gonna have you be consistent through the lows, through the highs, and keep you motivated every single day. We're officially on hour 14, hour 13. hour 12. It's like 9:36 p.m. We got here at 8 a.m. today. It's been 11 and a half hours. I'm ready for this baby to come.
Keep breathing. Deep breath in.
All right, I'll be back on the go, okay?
Whoa.
Got this.
Okay, thank you.
You got it, babe. I'm doing this for little sake.